An open-ended slide lets your participants respond to your question by freely typing their answer. When submitted, each answer will appear in turn on the slide canvas. To make one, click on New Slide and select Open-ended as your slide type. Type your question in the box labeled Your Question. If you want more info from your participants while they're submitting their answers, you can request it with these additional fields. You can choose to lay out your participants' responses all together in a grid, or you can choose to cycle through each response one by one. Checking this option allows your audiences to submit images in their responses, which they can do directly from their phones. Press the Present button and click the top bar of your slide to reveal the QR code. Your participants simply scan the code to submit their open-ended answer to your question. While you're presenting, you can switch the layout by using the menu. Go to Choose Layout and click the alternative option to see all responses in the other layout.
Now, let's start with the question.